Ready? Start. Ascertainment of the effect of the permanent disability on the actual earning capacity involves three steps. Stop. The tribunal has to first ascertain what activities the claimant could carry on in spite of the permanent disability and what he could not do as a result of the permanent ability. This is also relevant for awarding compensation under the head of loss of amenities of life. Stop. The second step is to ascertain his avocation, profession, and nature of work before the accident, as also his age. Stop. The third step is to find out whether the claimant is totally disabled from earning any kind of livelihood, or whether, in spite of the permanent disability, the claimant could still effectively carry on the activities and functions which he has earlier carrying on, or whether he was prevented or restricted from discharging his previous activities and functions, but could carry on some other or lesser scale of activities and functions, so that he continues to earn or can continue to earn his livelihood. Stop. For example, if the left hand of a claimant is amputated, the permanent physical or functional disablement may be assessed around 60%. Stop. If the claimant was a driver or a carpenter, the actual loss of earning capacity may virtually be 100% if he is neither able to drive or do carpentry. Stop. On the other hand, if the claimant was a clerk in government service, the loss of his left hand may not result in loss of employment, and he may still be continued as a clerk, as he could perform his clerical functions, and in that event the loss of earning capacity will not be 100%, as in the case of a driver or carpenter, nor 60%, which is the actual physical disability, but far less. Stop. In fact, there may not be any need to award any compensation under the head of loss of future earnings if the claimant continues in government service, though he may be awarded compensation under the head of loss of amenities as a consequence of losing his hand. Stop. Sometime the injured claimant may be continued in service but may not found suitable for discharging the duties attached to the post or job which has earlier holding on account of his disability, and may therefore be shifted to some other suitable but lesser post with lesser emoluments, in which case there should be a limited award under the head of loss of future earning capacity, taking note of the reduced earning capacity. Stop. It may be noted that when compensation is awarded by treating the loss of future earning capacity as 100%, the need to award compensation separately under the head of loss of amenities or loss of expectations of life may disappear, and as a result only a token or nominal amount may have to be awarded under the head of loss of amenities or loss of expectation of life, as otherwise they may be a duplication in the award of compensation stop, but that as it may stop.